Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we'll be going on a road trip together. We went to Traverse City and it was so much fun. The main reason why it was fun was because we brought our cockatiel Krish with us. Keep watching to see what happens. When we got on the road, it was early morning, but Krish was very active. He loved chewing on this car ornament. He thought it was really fun. Krish kept jumping onto the steering wheel, but my dad could manage. Then he calmed down and liked to sit on my dad's shoulder. He wanted to sleep, but it was too bumpy and he couldn't sleep. For most of the drive, it was too. Now for our suite. Here's a little tour. First off, to your right, you would see a kitchen with a big fridge and a coffee machine and basically everything you need. Then to your left, you would see a really nice bathroom with a great mirror. And then you would see a couch. And the couch turned into a bed, which was where my sister slept. And then you would see a desk area, which Krish really liked to stay in. There were 2 shelves, and he liked the top shelf. He thought it was really cozy. And then there was a TV and 2 beds, which were really comfy, and the window. Krish really liked the window and the closet, and that's pretty much it. Krish liked to relax near us in the doorway of his cage. Then we went to a park, and in the park, he usually just stayed on my dad's shoulder. He also liked being in this area, where he liked to watch the window, and Then inside of his travel cage, it looks like this. It's pretty comfy. I think he likes it. And then for that day lunch, we went outside to a park. Then we went to Sleeping Bear Sand Dunes. The walk up the sand dunes was so steep and so tiring. But my dad carried the cage, which was really heavy, up all the way, and it was so much helpful. Thanks, Dad. Krish thought the sand dunes were so interesting, and he liked to watch all the sand and the birds flying around us. I was so tired that we had to take so many breaks and sit down and just chill for some time. In those breaks, we took Krish out, and I know that there's a risk of him flying away, but he was really calm, and we thought that he wouldn't fly away. He really liked the sand and thought it was so interesting and loved to walk around in it. This is him in some smoother sand, and he loved eating little white calciums in it, even though we always stopped him. He loved walking around in the sand, and he thought it was so smooth, and he loved the texture. He stayed on my dad for most of the part because my dad is his favorite. The view there was so pretty. There was a pond and also Lake Michigan. Lake Michigan was prettier, but I couldn't take a video of it. This is the pond. Going down the sand dunes was way funner than coming up the sand dunes. I love to run down. On the way back, we went through the city, and Krish loved the city. He thought it was so interesting how fast the cars went, and he loved looking at the buildings. I mean, who doesn't love the city? Certainly not Krish. That night, the dinner we ate was amazing. Then that next morning, Krish practically kept screaming. His cranky time is 8 to 10, and that's the time where he won't stop screaming. So to calm him down, we put some food on the floor, and he liked to scavenge around and look for food. It was really interesting for him. And then it was time to go back home. We were all really sad. Krish was really calm for the whole trip. He wanted to sleep, and he actually could. There was the one part where he didn't feel it was so bumpy, even though it was really bumpy. He slept because I think that he didn't have that much of a good sleep that night, so he had to sleep basically the whole trip except for this part where he was awake but still calm and still sleepy, so he stayed on my dad's shoulder. He really liked watching the view even though he was calm, and while he was watching, he was slowly, literally, like drifting off to sleep. Like his eyes were so closed. And now he's safe back home. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day.